First, install the battery in the mask. There is a battery case. Open it and install the battery. And then install battery for the digital nut, 3 pieces. Okay, it will collect it automatically. We install the coupler for the faster collection. And then put the cylinder inside of the belt and collect the faster collection. Push the cylinder valve. Okay. Tighten the belt. Where's the SCBA? Where's the SCBA? Adjust the chest belt and the waist belt. Connect the demand valve. Wear the BA mask. Adjust the straps and check the mask seal. Open the cylinder valve. Digital or not connected. Check the pressure and connect the demand valve. Okay, we'll see the HUD inside of the mask. It works well.